Tired of managing inventory and shipping costs? Hostinger's free print-on-demand app lets you sell custom products risk-free. No need to buy stock upfront, no boxes stacked in your garage, and no stressful trips to the post office. You just design the product, list it on your site, and when someone buys it, a print provider handles the rest. It's really that simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate the print-on-demand app and start selling custom products in just a few clicks. Alright, let's jump into the Hostinger website builder. You'll want to open up your site in the editor. This is where all the magic happens. Now look over on the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu there. Go ahead and click on the option that says Apps. That's where Hostinger keeps all its extra features and integrations. Once the Apps menu opens up, scroll down through the list until you spot Print on Demand. It should be labeled as free, easy, and risk-free. Click on that. So now that we've got that set up, you'll see a welcome screen pop up. Just tap the big Get Started button. This is just the first confirmation to begin the setup process. Alright, here's where you make a choice. You'll be presented with a couple of options for what you want to do. You want to click on Sell Custom Products with Print on Demand. Notice it says no upfront costs, no risk. This is the core of the whole transformation we're talking about here. Now confirm your choice by clicking Get Started again. This second click is what actually launches the full integration. And here's the really important part. You need to connect a print provider. This is where Hostinger's built-in integration really shines as a step-by-step authority anchor. You'll link up with a company like Printful. These are the folks who actually print your designs on the products, pack them up, and ship them straight to your customers. You don't have to touch a single thing. The connection process usually takes just a minute or two. Once your provider is connected, it's time for the fun part. Browse through their catalog of products. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it. Pick what fits your brand and add those custom products to your store. You can upload your designs directly right here. Finally, once your products are all set up and looking good, it's time to publish your store and start promoting. Share it on social media, tell your friends, and start making those sales. Every time an order comes in, your print provider handles production and shipping. You just collect the profit. So there you have it. Hostinger makes it unbelievably easy to start selling custom products without the headaches of traditional e-commerce. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront costs, just your creativity and a few clicks. Give it a shot and see what you can create.